Weekly stock market update in several parts. Are you ready for part one? The other parts will be in and around this video. So let's kick off with this. It's been lots of earnings. By the way, I'm in the top corner up here in case you're wondering where I've got to. It's not financial advice. This goes for all the other parts that I'm going to cover. If you'd like a free copy of my book, alpeshpatel.com/links. Great comments from multi-billion-dollar hedge fund managers, Bloomberg TV presenters, and Financial Times columnists. alpeshpatel.com/links. UK budget, I've done a separate video on. It's on my YouTube channel. If you've not seen it, it's a brilliant video explaining all of this. And if you've not seen the YouTube channel, it's alpeshpatel.com/links. I was in the States. Let's look at earnings at Rhode Island just, a month ago. And this is me on stage speaking to an audience from the United States just about the market. So I'm going to share with you some of the insights in this weekly update. By the way, I host in Parliament 4 times a year business networking events. Again, go onto my Telegram channel, which is on alpeshpatel.com/links, and you'll get regular invites to those events as well. Okay. US election, it's going to turn on, well, probably Pennsylvania should be shoved in here as well as these. It's probably going to come down to about 30 people. I'm going to call it for Trump. If Trump does indeed win, then it'll be reflationary for the US, which means asset prices will go up. If asset prices go up, stock prices will go up. Now we can talk about, well, surely there'll be interest rates. There's a drag on the economy from an increasing fiscal deficit, which must be crowding out the private sector. Bond yields will increase. People sell bonds because of the debasement of the currency, blah, 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 blah. Listen, asset prices will go up because Trump is in. Okay, this is from Schroders. He'll be reflationary. I'll do part 2 separately to this. Thank you.